this guy up not too long ago. I thought he'd make a cool pygmy gorilla type character. And the cool thing is, he came with this little flying craft that was featured in the movie. But to me, it looks like it could be a cool little drone. Maybe an enemy drone of some sort. It's got a great shape to it. It was a pretty cool aircraft in the movie. It's kind of the same size as my other little character here, Clapbot. Which maybe they could be from the same type of bad guy character or something. Makes a pretty cool drone. It's got that size of a drone. The gorilla himself is pretty cool. He's got some articulation in the head. Yelling face, or the growling face. Pretty good details on him. He has some articulation in his arms. He can move in his shoulder and his elbow. He's got a little bit of swivel arm too. Even his wrist can move around a bit. He could hold stuff in this hand. This hand he has this power glove thing on. It was one of the things that was in the movie. It'd make an interesting pygmy gorilla that was experimented on or something. Of course he has the scars on his chest, just like in the movie. This was from one of the King Kong versus Godzilla movies. He actually has articulated legs, which is pretty cool. I think he'd make an interesting pygmy gorilla character. Kind of a throwback to the original G.I.Joe set. Seems like he's about the same size as the pygmy gorilla from the original G.I.Joe pygmy gorilla set. Not too bad of a character. Should be interesting to use in a photo story. I look forward to that. Well, that's all I have for you. Let me know what you think about this King Kong action figure. Picked him up years ago and finally was able to do a review on him. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.